Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to be doing Hot to Go by Chappell Roan. This is a simple song, 3 chords. We'll go over those chords, the progression, the order we play them in, and then we'll look at the song as a whole. Those moments are in the description and key moments below. Let's get going. First chord we got to get down is our F sharp major. Not typical for a song's key and a song's starting chord, but I love it. It's an F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, all black keys there. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. F sharp major. That's the chord we're going to use the most. The second chord is our B major, B, D sharp, F sharp, B major on B, D sharp, F sharp. That's the other chord. That's going to be about half the song. And then we sometimes just have a nice transition chord on C sharp major, C sharp, E sharp, G sharp. That's how we spell that. And so that's the C sharp key, the E sharp, which is the same as the F natural key, and the G sharp. We just always spell our triads with every other letter name. And those are the only 3 chords in this whole song. Let's look at the pattern. Like I said, we start on that F sharp major, and we do that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, to the B, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, then sometimes the C sharp repeat. Now let's get a little more rhythm with that. This bottom note, what we could call our do, or the root of the chord, is always going to toggle. It's going to go back and forth between itself and the note a half step below it. So on the F sharp chord, we get this. Just by taking that bottom note back and forth. And then on our B major chord, same thing, bottom note, take it a half step down to that A sharp. Let's go back and forth like. Right? And that is what gives the song its funk, its bass, its beat. And so we keep that going just about the whole time while trying to spread out and get these chords into both hands, some F sharps in both hands. For a little more texture. I still want that low, that toggling to be in the low finger. So let's see if my pinky can handle it. 1, 2, here's the pattern. To the B. Now I'm using my thumb. To B. Then C sharp. Right? Add that C sharp in there as a little just transition to loop it back. We use that C sharp transition on the pre-chorus and the chorus just to add some more flavor. Let's get looking at the song as a whole. Like I said, we start on that F sharp. There's a little bit of intro where Chappell does her talking, her counting. Let's count it in a la Chappell. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready, transition chord, verse 1. Chorus, like this beat, I made it so you get it? It's a finger workout and a wrist workout. Ooh, but it keeps just pumping till the end. I love playing with you today. It was great seeing you. See you on the next video. Play on.